Check out this recipe for Cedar Plank lemon pepper salmon. This is a super easy recipe that can be ready in less than 1 hour. Start off with 2 8-ounce fillets of salmon. I like to leave the skin on, but you can remove it if you want. We're going to take a cedar plank that we've soaked in water for about 30 minutes, placing some lemon slices on top, and then we're going to place the salmon on top of those lemon slices just to protect it and incorporate flavor into the salmon. After that, we're going to brush the salmon with a light coating of avocado oil. I like to use avocado oil because it has a high smoke point and a neutral flavor. Next, season the fish with a good coat of lemon pepper seasoning. I also like to add a little bit of flaky salt on top to add a little crunch and texture to the fish. Today we're going to be using the ThermoPro TP28 to monitor the temperature of the fish as it cooks. Simply set the probes to the fish setting, which is 145 degrees internal temperature, and you're ready to go. Using the transmitter, you can keep an eye on the temperature of the fish as it cooks from up to 500 feet away. Set the cedar plank down on the grill, and then place the probe thermometer in at a 45-degree angle into the thickest part of the fish. Cook at 325 degrees for about 30 minutes until your alarm goes off and you've reached 145 degrees internal temperature. Having a separate probe for each piece of fish really makes sure that you don't overcook either one, and you can even cook different size fish and make sure that your temperature is perfect every time. Take your fish off the grill and let it rest for about 5 minutes, giving it an extra squeeze of lemon juice to really ensure that citrus flavor. The combination of the smoky cedar plank flavor and the citrus from the lemon makes this a super easy dish that everyone in your family is going to love. Fork tender, juicy, delicious, fresh fish. Hope you enjoy this recipe and make it at home.